Hello Star Wars YouTube fans, thank you for visiting my channel today, JohnnyStarWars. Just thought I'd give you an update on where we are with my Mandalorian custom Razor Crest ship build. So a few people are familiar with my Rebels ghost ship I built a few years back and asked me how that was built and the process involved, etc. So I thought I'd sort of show you where we are today with this build. So this is a 1/18 scale, true scale build. The basis of the build, the material is actually going to be built from is 3mm Foamex PVC. I think in America it sometimes goes by the name of Sintra, and that's a material that a lot of Mandalorian cosplayers use or have used in the past for their armor. It is a rigid plastic which can be cut, bent, heated and bent, and retains its shape, can be scored to add detail. So it's quite a nice product to actually use for model making if you can get your hands on it. I've got two sheets here which are probably about 4 or 5 feet by 4 feet, and that cost me about £40 UK to have delivered. So it actually costs the same price to have it delivered as the cost itself. So if you have got maybe a sign maker near you, you might want to check out, see if they might have some material available for you to purchase direct rather than have it delivered, say if you wanted to use this product. Some of the tools I use, once I've marked out things, just use a scribe tool. That just sort of adds a guide for the cutting blade. Obviously a metal ruler. I use this curve thing for doing curves. I always just do a little mock-up just to make sure I'm happy with the size of things before I commit to cutting the plastic, etc. So what I've done here is just a very rudimental mock-up of cardboard, just so I'm happy with some of the sizing, etc. Before I commit to the plastic. I did notice, for example, with the cockpit area, I needed to make the door area a little bit wider than it was. So just things like that helps to sort of get that dialed down before you commit to cutting the plastic, etc., which is obviously going to be a time consuming and maybe a little costly error if you get wrong. I've also got a couple of carbonite blocks which I'm going to do a little bit of experimenting with. So once I get underway and get a few more bits cut out and start working on the process, I'll come back to you with another video. But just really wanted to give you a quick update today on where we are with this custom build. Obviously worldwide events are going to take precedent on this, but you never know, I might be at home for a couple of weeks, so might get some time to actually concentrate on this, all being well. So stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.